Okay, for this video, we will check another program. It is using two cutters, all processing from the nose to the tails, and do two steps: rough milling and fine milling. Okay, we can change into another one. Okay, press this button and show all files, and is this one. Let me check. Oh no, not this. Not this. Okay, we will regenerate one. Still use this CAD drawing and generate a new one. Okay, for this, we will delete the toolpath by this button. Yes. Okay, okay. This button. Select the number one cutter. Okay, select the whole line. Press the right button on the mouse. Okay. Select the second cutter. Okay. Still select this line and press right. Okay. We can see here it shows two paths. Okay. We create the third one for the sanding belt. Select this sanding belt head and press the line and press the right button on the keyboard. Okay, it has shown three toolpaths. That means the toolpath is generated correctly. The last step, we press this button to generate the NC program. Okay, here we delete the last one. We can press the add button and select the spindle we use Y, B, and R. Okay, since for the Y and B, we all do the same milling toolpath from the nose to the toe. So we change into two steps. One step is rough milling, the other is for the fine milling. So for the rough milling, we need to leave some tolerance. Okay, for example, I want to leave 2 millimeter. Okay, press OK. Then here show Y2. Okay, we can press OK again. So here we generate the new program. This is the file name. Okay, we will go back to the CNC software here. And for the data, you know, in order to get the board, you know, can measure it, because here is already 185 out. This edge from the table edge is already 185. Okay, so if we want to mill the MDF board to touch it, we need to enlarge this data into 30. Okay, this one also no. Let me sync it. Yeah, this one also 30. Okay, here also 30. Okay, let us go back to check the AutoCAD. You can understand. You see this drawing from this line to the table edge, the distance is 160. Okay, so plus the 60 offside distance, it will be 119. That means after milling, we come from here to here should be 190. Okay, so we can make a real production and see the result. Okay. Okay, let us check again. Make sure. Okay, still 30. Okay, no problem. We can go back to auto. Okay. And open our new program. Okay, this is our new program generated. Okay, here we show the correct toolpath, and we use these 3 cutters. Okay. So now everything is in the right position because the axis all at 0 places, so it's no problem. We don't need to go back to the home reference places again. Okay, change into auto version and press the start button. Oh, sorry, no. Forget the start the cutters again. Okay, we need to start the cutters firstly. Okay, doesn't matter. We will wait and let it back. Okay, let's start the cutter and sanding belt. Number 1, number 3, and number 5 for the sanding belt. Okay, this is number 1 cutter, number 2 cutter, and this is a sanding belt. Okay. Okay, let's start it again. Okay, we can stop here and measure the milling places and check the distance is correct or not. Okay. So we should move back the cutter spindle and the table, and easier for us to measure it. Okay, we firstly change into the manual version and press reset. And select the axis. Okay, we can select first the Y, the Y one, the first the cutter axis, and press the back. Okay, I need to back, and Y2, and press back. Okay, Y2, not Y2, Y3. Okay, it's Y3, wrong, Y3, okay, Y3, and press this one. Okay, it's Y3, come back. Okay, the one, Y5, let's select the Y5. Okay, press this button, and let the sanding belt back. Okay, the last one, select the table, the X. Okay, press the minus button, let it go back. Okay, so we can make a mirror. So here, finish the 2-step millings. We can measure whether it's 190 or not. Okay, we can check it from here to here is 190. That means correct. Okay, so we can check another one. The first pass. Okay. So we can check for the first, this is the first milling. We can see it is 188. So 2 millimeter difference. That means the rough milling. Okay, this is the rough milling. Okay, here is a fan milling. We can fan here, we can check here. Okay, this is after 2 steps milling. Okay, first cutter, second cutter, and here is only, we can see it only after first cutter milling. The second cutter doesn't milling here, so we can check. Measure this area is 190. It's no problem. From this area is 188. Yeah, 188, 2 millimeter difference. That is means rough milling. This is fan milling. for the second cutter. Okay? We can check the program setup again. Okay, we can check here. This one. Okay, yeah, we can see here for the first cutter is a 2 millimeter difference. This is a tolerance for the rough milling. Okay, so it's correct.